Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. You see, I'm not wearing any makeup because in this video I'll try to follow FlawlessKevin makeup. He posts a lot of makeup tutorials on Instagram, and he also owns a YouTube channel. I will link his Instagram and YouTube channel down here so you can check them out for those who don't know him. Actually, I've been his fan for quite a few months. I don't know why I discovered him late. I wish I found him earlier, and he is so friendly and he talks to his fans. That is why I really like him. And yeah, without any further ado, let's get to the video.
Wow, I look so naked right now. Trust me, I'm wearing a shirt, but in today's look, I'm gonna go for a cherry blossom inspired eye. Oh, you already know the drill. We're just gonna go ahead and stamp some eggplant shapes onto our faces.
Okay, so he's using that foundation, but I don't know, I don't own that foundation, so I'll just use this Fenty Beauty Pro Filtr Soft Matte Long Wear Foundation in 210. So he put the foundation on this, like this, and he put like 1, 2, 3.
We're just gonna go. Boop, boop, boop.
He's using a concealer, but I don't have Shape Tape concealer with me. I only have the same concealer, so and just boop, boop. Okay, where it didn't look like that. Okay, boop, 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 boop.
So Naruto and Sasuke are here, and now onto Sakura. Taking the pink, I'm gonna put that in my crease.
I hope this will work. Okay, I'll just use this on my crease. So how do we do it? My eye shape and his eye shape are different, so it will be different.
Moving on to the hot pink, I'm gonna put that on my outer V. Oh, cherry blossoms are shook.
So I'll be using this. I hot cherry blossom with shook as well. Oh, cherry blossom are shook. Oh yeah. Okay.
Going in with the sparkly pink, I'm putting that all over my lid. Yes, honey, I am a princess with this color.
Just put it on my lid like this. Oh, so pretty.
Taking a light pink lipstick, I'm gonna draw in some cherry blossoms. Ooh, honey, look at those little petals.
Okay, so he put a sakura flower on his what was it? On his eyes right here. So I'll do the same, and I'll use this Silkygirl Matte Junkie lip cream.
My part is done. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, right here, 1, 2, up to, and maybe she go somewhere else, maybe here, 1.
Going in with the same hot pink before, I'm just gonna go ahead and shade this flower.
This one is a little bit how do you guys call it, brighter, so I think I'll just use this and put it at the middle of these flowers. Oh yeah. Oh yes.
Taking the shade Deep Throat from NARS, we're gonna use this ninja move on Sasuke.
This one. So I just put it here. I believe that I'm doing great, even though it might not that good. But I hope I can do it fine. So I've contoured my nose and also put highlights on this. and also my cheek. Then now I will curl and apply some mascara. Oh, I look so fake.
And topping it off with the pink we used earlier. And here's the completed cherry blossom inspired look.
So I will use this. Oh my god, I'm all pink. Look at my lips, it looks really weird. So I'll just use this Fenty Beauty Lip Luminizer. Instead of having a matte finish, I'll go for a glossy finish. Okay, so this is the final look. I hope you enjoy my video. And Kevin, if you watch my video, thank you so much. And other people, if you get to watch this video till the end, thank you. And actually, I don't know if I pull off this look well, because you know, this is my first and I don't know if I'm doing fine. Before I end this video, I have something to say. And here is the final look. Mwah.